Look what we got from Ross for $4.99 from Mcfarlane Toys. Not bad at all. Especially because I'm a big fan of Warcraft 3. So this reminds me of the orcs from Warcraft 3. We got the Orc Warrior. Alright, so I got the top open. Oops. That is super duper cool. And look at what comes in the box. So it's like the outside of the box was actually meant to be displayed. That was inside the sleeve. So I guess you get rid of this. And it's kind of like a movie Maniacs. And what is this thing? We'll check it out, but that's the cool. That's pretty cool. That's what comes. So I guess that's what comes with it, the orc. So we'll keep the base there. Here are the parts of the orc. The individual pieces look really detailed, look really good. Kind of reminds me of like Warhammer. So how is it held in here? Looks like we got a bunch of plastic ties. Let's get it open. So what was down there was really, really high quality glossy stickers. I really like this Warcraft sticker. Very cool, high quality stickers. So it comes with 3 of them. Alright, so we get the stickers, the awesome background. We get an extra hand. We get 2 shoulder pads, a hammer, and this awesome axe. Let's get them out. Start with this guy on the base. So he's not articulated at all. He's a statue. Though I really wish this had some articulation, but for $5, it's alright. He does have an extra hand you can swap, I guess. You can. Here's his axe. How in the world do you get? Is it supposed to? Here's the hammer. Very nice hammer. Here's one of the shoulder pieces. Here are the 2 shoulder pieces. So, like, how do I... Does this stuff all come off? Let's see. It does. It all comes off. Okay. Which allows me to put Superior Purple on. Very cool. Alright. I can dig it. I can dig it. So we do have this hand, but it doesn't seem like it'd be good for... Let's take this hand out. Does this hand come out too? No, that hand's in there. All right. So now we've got, let's try to get this hand on here. Holy cow. That's not easy. Am I supposed to heat this up or something? Come on, buddy. Oh, wow. Maybe it fits in this hand? Not really. Maybe this one fits it better. It looks smaller. Little. Oh, it got in! The hammer got in. Just barely, but it's in. There you go. We got the hammer in. So we can get this hammer going. Okay. What if I want this thing, though? Like, what do I do with this thing? See, this one's got a hole, too, right here. It would be so cool if I could get this in that hand. So anyway, this is him. Let's just get this here. Makes no sense. There should be... I'm going to make this work. I almost didn't get this, but there's an extra package in here with the toy. I wonder why. What's in here? What could this be? So in there was an extra axe. An extra axe with a lot of detail. But what am I going to do with an extra axe? He's already holding two. I guess he could hold this one as well, but I don't find it as good as the two that came with it. It seems a little bit more bland, a little bit more gray, but we will, I don't know, shove it in here or something. We'll figure out a way to make him hold it. Maybe we can, like, put it on his back. Make it seem like he's got an extra axe back here. Hey, that's actually pretty good. Pack it like an extra axe in the back. Oh, that is actually awesome. That completes it. The axe in the back, guys. Don't forget it. It's just an axe in the back to complete the look. That is what I'm talking about, ladies and gentlemen. Mcfarlane is on its top game with this one. Oh, he can't have none of this. Tell him. Alright, I got both hands to fit it. It's a tight fit, but that's why it holds so well, too. Minus this guy, who I probably overworked. This is really cool. Ah, man. For $5 from Ross, this thing is quite cool. The backdrop's a bit dark for my taste. The backdrop is a bit dark for my taste. Especially because when I think orcs, I actually think the forest and stuff, not... Are you ready to check it out?
Yes.
All right, buddy. Tell me what you think. Here.
Ditto.
Tell me what you think of him. Yeah? Here, I'll put it on this for you. That's pretty cool, right? Very cool. Overall, 10 out of 10. Worth $5 all day, every day. Right, buddy?
I,
Look at the way that pearl effect is with that light right there. That is so cool. The paint app is just really good. Mcfarlane really knocked it out the park here. I just wish it had just a little bit of articulation. I appreciate that we can swap out the parts. Here's my son throwing up all the other pieces. We have a pawn, an extra hand. These are just other pieces from our other toys. Oh, he's going to put in the stickers for you guys. This is my 2.0. This is my everything. He's sitting it up nice. Don't forget the original shoulder pads, though. And then we still have 2 more stickers. This is a nice one. Probably gonna put this one on my laptop. There you go. There you go. Look at you. You set it up so well. What do you think of those shoulder pads?
pressure pit.
Yeah, shoulder pads. Oh. Okay. I like that. Yeah, we don't actually need that throne. But we're going to put it in there anyway. That's from the Black Adam. It's another one of our toys. Very cool. Look at... These are the parts that baby Brandon put down for you to observe. And some stickers. Very cool. Thanks for making me open this, puppy. Say thank you.
Let's go.
Say like and subscribe.
I think it's sad.
I love you, man.